ఓం సహనా భవతు సహనౌ భునక్తు సహ వీర్యం కరవావహై తేజస్వినావధీతమస్తు మా విద్విషావహై. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. చాప్టర్ 2 Section 1, Mantra number 1. Paranchikani vyatrunas swayambhuh.
Paranchikani vyatrunas swayambhuh.
Tasmat parang pashyati nantaratman.
Tasmat parang pashyati nantaratman.
Kaschid धीरः प्रत्यगात्मानमैक्षत्.
कश्चित् धीरः प्रत्यगात्मानमैक्षत्.
आवृत्तचक्षुरमृतत्वमिच्छन्.
आवृत्तचक्षुरमृतत्वमिच्छन्.
पराचः कामाननुयन्ति बालाः.
पराच कामाननुयन्ति बालाः.
ते मृत्योर्यन्ति विततस्य पाशम्.
ते मृत्योर्यन्ति विततस्य पाशम्.
अथ धीरा अमृतत्वं विदित्वा.
अथ धीरा अमृतत्वं विदित्वा.
ध्रुवमध्रुवेष्विह नः प्रार्थयन्ते.
ध्रुवमध्रुवेष्विह नः प्रार्थयन्ते.
Yamadharmaraja answering Nachiketa's third question. Instead of saying answering Nachiketa's question, we can say Yamadharmaraja fulfilling the third boon given to or promised to Nachiketas. Yamadharmaraja fulfilling the desire of that Nachiketa. Anyatra dharmat anyatra dharmat. Please teach me that principle which is beyond dharma and adharma. That principle is only that Atma Swarupam now Yamadharmaraja is revealing. Before revealing this Atma Tattvam, even though it is very intimate, very close to the person, why people are not able to know this principle? What is the reason he gives in the first mantra? The closest thing in the world is one's own real Atma Swarupam, that is the consciousness. Because Paranchikani Vyatrunas Swayambhuh. Since this Brahmaji created the human beings with those sense organs which are extroverted, Paranchikani. Therefore, we need not feel guilty. Our sense organs' nature is to go outwards. Tasmat parang pashyati. Therefore, the person is extroverted. Clear? Then the third line he said in the first mantra, Kaschid dhiraha. Even though those sense organs are created extroverted, there are some wise people, mature people. Kaschid dhiraha pratyagatmana maikshat. He will become or she will become introverted. Pratyagatmana means, pratyak means internal, one's own Atma Swarupam. Atmanam Aikshat. They will see their Atman nature. Pratyagatmanam Aikshat, this word is a very misleading word. Some intelligent, mature people see their Atma inside. That's why many people sit in meditation, they want to look at their Atma which is inside. This word is a very, very misleading word. We have to be very careful. Pratyagatmanam Aikshat means they will approach these dhiraha, wise people like you. They approach the teacher and study Shastra, understands that Atma is myself. They understand. We have to understand that word. Pratyagatmanam Aikshat is their verb. They see. Aikshat means they see. So we should not take it as literally. You can never see the Atma. It is illogical. Clear? It is illogical. Why? Atma is the subject. The seer is the subject. The Atma, the seer is subject. He has to recognize. I am the seer. Alone is Atma. He has to recognize. He cannot see the Atma because the subject can never be objectified. The Aikshat word we have to understand carefully. Otherwise, we again trip. They'll postpone this knowledge. One word is sufficient to confuse us. These are the important places where we should not be misled by the words. Aikshat means immediately you take literal translation, the person sees the self in himself. Oh, nalla irukke. Sees himself. How can you see? You are the subject, Atma. How can you see the Atma as an object? Therefore, they understand. Ityarthaha. Clear? Now, Avritta Chakshur Amrutatvam Icchan. How they are able to understand? Avritta Chakshuhu means they turn their eyes. That is literal meaning. Avritta Chakshuhu. Avritta means seeing inwards. Seeing inwards. Avritta Chakshuhu means eyes. Avritta means inwards. Amrutatvam Icchan. Who will become introverted? This Avritta Chakshu. How to understand? You drop your interest for materialistic pleasures. You drop interest in interactions with the world about the materialistic objects. You don't like to talk about those objects. That is called Avritta Chakshu. Waiting for the Thursday class is called Avritta Chakshu. Okay, waiting for the Thursday class, eppo varumo, I want to listen. Adudha Avritta Chakshu. You don't like to listen anything other than this. Why? Amrutatvam Icchan. Amrutatvam means immortality. Icchan means desiring. Desiring that Atma Swarupam, Amrutatvam, I want to become immortal. I want to be free from this time-wise, space-wise limitation. I cannot withstand this limitation. Jara, Marana, Vyadhi, all these limitations comes under mortality. I want to become immortal. Amrutatvam Icchan. Kaschid dhiraha pratyagatmanam aikshat attends the Thursday class and artham. Then second mantra says, but some unintelligent people, that side dhiraha pratyagatmanam aikshat. But there are 99% are balaha. Paracha kaman anuyanti balaha. 1% the vote for Amrutatvam. 1% of people only vote for Amrutatvam. That's why few people are only here. Amrutatvam ichchanana. What about others? Balaha, immature people, not desirers of moksha or Amrutatvam. What they do? Kaman anuyanti. Te balaha. Ye balaha. Whoever, no? Immature. Balaha means immature, extroverted, not having vairagyam. Avritta chakshuhanna, what you mean? Vairagyam. Renunciation. That vairagyam they have. But these balaha who are having pravritti towards the world, balaha attracted towards the worldly objects. E balaha parachaha kaman anuyanti. Parachaha means the external pleasures. Kaman means desires. Parachaha means external. Externally they will carry away by those pleasures. Parachaha kaman anuyanti, they follow. First they introduce everything. See this great thing, and ellame they introduce. It's a luxury for first. Then slowly it will become a need for that person. Just like that, one person is having a pet dog, and he, for walking early morning, he walks and the dog is coming front, backside first. First it come at the back, slowly it will go front. And the dog is running, he has to run behind the dog. All our pleasures are like that. Whatever we buy the gadgets, first we say, very nice I am having. Then it stand in front. Without that I cannot survive. Like that dog, no? It goes front. Now dog is leading the person. Previously person is leading the dog. Dog is coming behind. But after some time, this naughty dog come front and it runs. This person has to go, Yajamana. Yajamana has to go behind. You go and see in the beach early morning. People, they run behind the dog. Appadiyavadu walking varuvani, they run. I think so. Adha anuyanti. Anuyanti. From January 1st onwards up to Pongal, retail, sale. Galata time. People are busy. The music season. From morning to till evening, even Vedanta classes also you can't get like that. Every hour you can attend music program, in Madras especially. So that is also another type of entertainment, pleasure. Shubhavasana, that's all. Instead of going to Vivekananda or other shops, they go to music academy and listen about the God. Shubhavasana, okay. But they never, that is also another type of pleasure. காலையில் போய் மியூசிக் ப்ரோக்ராம் எல்லாம் கேட்டுட்டு 2 hours 3 hours எங்கே வந்து வேதாந்தா கேட்க முடியும்? சரி இன்னைக்கு வேண்டாம், சுவாமினி பர்மனெண்ட்டாக எப்படி எடுத்து சொல்லிட்டே இருப்பான். மியூசிக் சீசன் கம் only once in a year. Let us go. I don't say it is a mistake, but they vote for that. Their priority is for the music than Vedanta. Means what? Kaman anuyanti. Kaman anuyanti. Who are they? Balaha. Na cholale. Yamadhar Maharaj is telling. What is the lot? No? Te mrityoho vitatasya param yanti. Those people, pasham, not param, pasham. Mrityoho pasham means pashyate, badhyate iti pasham. That which binds the person. They are all will bind by that mrityu pasham. What is mrityu pasham? Old age. Avidya kama karma samudaya is called mrityu. ignorance. Womb to tomb, tomb to womb. They go to tomb, tomb தெரியுமில்லையா? womb, tomb, womb, tomb. ஜன்ம மரணம், ஜனன மரண, ஜனன மரண. அதுதான் மிருத்யு பாசம். అనవరత జన్మ మరణ జరా రోగ ఆది అనర్థ వ్రాతం. శంకరాచార్య ట్రాన్స్లేట్ దిస్ వర్డ్. பாசம் என்ன அர்த்தம் தெரியுமோ? அனவரத்தம்னா அன்டைரிங்லி, endlessly, without stop, non-stop. Anavaratam, Janma, birth, Marana, death, Jara, old age. Once you are born, you are going to die. Janana, Marana, sanctioned. In the middle, enna Jara, old age. பல்லு டக்க 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 ஆடினே இருக்கும். ஜாயின்ஸ் எல்லாம் செத்தம் பண்ணும். ஆஃப்டர் சர்டன் ஏஜ் எவ்ரி திங் நான் இருக்கேன் அதெல்லாம் செத்தம் பண்ணும். அதுதான் ஓல்ட் ஏஜ் சைன். ஸோ யூ கேன் நாட் ஹைட் யுவர் ஏஜ். எவ்வளோ டை போட்டாலும், எவ்வளோ பல்லு வச்சாலும், எவ்வளோ பிளாஸ்டிக் சர்ஜரி பண்ணாலும் கூட படி ஏறும்போது தெரியும் ஓல்ட் ஏஜ் என்ன ஏஜ்னு. வென் யூ ஆர் கிளைம்பிங் த ஸ்டேர் கேஸ், you can recognize, other person can know your age. Jara. Then roga, vyadhi. Idur vyadhi, disease. What do you mean by disease? When I am not at ease is called disease. When I am not at ease, that is called uneasiness, roga. This roga along with another big roga, bhavaroga. Bhavaroga means ajnana, avidya is a bhavaroga, samsara roga. Always under threat, always under insecurity, always under fear. This is what these people, balaha, kamana, ye kamana aniyanti, mrutyoho pasham. What type of mrityu? Vitatasya. This is called vitatasya. It is all pervading. All pervading. Like Atma, this mrityu is also all pervading. All pervading in the vyadhi rupena, jara rupena, everywhere it is waiting. Kala. Here mrityu means kala is waiting to take the person. Dinayaminyau సాయం ప్రాతః శిశిర వసంతౌ పునరాయాతః కాలః క్రీడతి గచ్చత్యాయు. ఇప్పుడైనా பார்த்தேன் లాస్ట్ yesterday one boy came to the class. Boy illa 4 years back I saw, very young that time when he came unmarried. Yesterday he came with his wife and daughter. The daughter also grown up like this. My goodness, it's so fast. So much change in the person. So fast it goes. How many new years have come? How many calendars we have changed? How many calendars we are going to change? Atha dhiraha amrutatvam viditva. These people are balaha, but there are people dhiraha. Dhiraha ke opposite are balaha, ajnanis. Vivekis are dhiraha. What they do? Amrutatvam viditva. Having known the amrutam. Having known the amrutam. Amrutam eppadi known panna mudiyum? Atma swarupam an artham. Amrutatvam means atma tattvam. Viditva, having known. Having known the atma tattvam, dhiraha. That vivek is having known illa. Ichan. Amrutatvam viditva means this is atma. I am that Atma. They decide first, then only they will go to teacher and they will get the knowledge. What they do? Once they know this Atma, dhruvam adhruveshu iha na prarthayante. They will never ask for. Na prarthayante means they never desire for. Na prarthayante, they never seek. They never ask. They never desire. They never want for, no craving for. What for? Na dhruvam adhruveshu. Dhruvam means absolute immortality. Dhruvam, Amrutatvam, Dhruvam. They never seek in Adhruvam. Adhruvam in this samsara world, they never ask for Adhruveshu. Amidst, Adhruveshu means in the locative case, Saptami. These impermanent things, Adhruvam anna achalam, impermanent. Dhruvam anna steady. Na dhruvam adhruvam, which is unsteady, impermanent, which is vacillating, which is changing, violently changing all the time, impermanent, anityam, adhruveshu na prarthayanti. They will never desire that, they will never seek for these impermanent things, they never want to spend even a single minute in these impermanent things. Kate kanta kaste putraha, samsaro yamativa vichitraha. Who is wife, who is son, who is husband? All these are temporary passengers in our life. This person knows. He takes their help, how much to grow internally, externally, take the help and say goodbye, internally goodbye. Okay. And no one will give Atma Jnanam except Guru, Shastra. Therefore we have to be very careful, never waste that time. Because these relations, that's why Pasham means nothing but Dehendriyadi Samyoga Viyogam is the Pasham. Pasham means a kair, actually. எந்த கயிறன்னா அந்த தேகத்தினோட சம்பந்தம் கட்டி போட்டுடும், அப்படியே கட்டிட்டு போதும் விடு மிருத்யு, அதுதான் பாசம். We are tied to, we are slaves to this body, mind, sense organs. Not only that, I am slave to my relations, brother, sister, wife, husband, father, mother. அந்த ரிலேஷன் எதுக்காகங்கிறது நம்ம மறந்துட்டோம். But we have taken those relations because that relation sambandha has got such a power, it will make you, mesmerize you, and we will forget our goal. And so many intermediary goals we spend our time. Kastvam koham kuta ayataha kame janani kome tataha. We never ask, who am I, where from I am coming, where am I going. People are really carried away by this, becoming slaves to the body, mind, sense complex and the relations. By that time they realize they become old and time will not come back. What will come? Pasha, mrityu will come forward. Dhruvam adhruveshuna prarthayante. They know these worldly relations, including this body, mind complex also, adhruvam. How can I seek permanent Atma Swarupam in this? They never search for happiness in these things. But immature people, they seek happiness in the wife, children, objects, in the body. They seek happiness, but they fail. Yenna andala happiness illaye, adinala they fail. So Amritattva means Atma Swarupam, we have to understand. Next shlok, mantra. Third mantra. Ena rupam rasam gandham,
Ena rupam rasam gandham,
shabdan sparshagumscha maidhunan,
Shabdan sparshagumscha maidhunan,
etenaiva vijanati,
Etenaiva vijanati,
kimatra parishishyate,
Kimatra parishishyate,
etadvaitat.
Etadvaitat.
From third mantra onwards up to 13th mantra, the central teaching Yamadharmaraja is giving. Very important teaching. Atma Swarupam. He is revealing what is Atma. By knowing which, one is free from all limitations, free from insecurity, free from unhappiness. Manashanti. அதுதான் மனசாந்தி. உலகத்துல எங்கேயும் மனசாந்தி கிடையவே கிடையாது. இருக்கிற மாதிரி தோணும், பட் ரியல் இட் இஸ் நாட் தேர். So, yena, now Yamadharmaraja says, what is Atma? What do you mean by Atma? Atma is nothing but by which everything is known in this universe, he says. Yena, by which Atma, by which self. First line and second line you can combine. Yena etena, by this Atma. That's very important. Etena, by this Atma. Yena, etena, this Atma, it is closest, nearest you or that and சொல்லணும். எங்கேயோ ஆத்மா இருந்தன்னா சர்ச் பண்ணுவா திருப்பி ஆப்ஜெக்ட் மாதிரி பார்க்கறதுக்காக. நமக்கு எல்லாம் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் ஓரியன்டேஷன். பஷ்யன்னபி ந பஷ்யதி. ஏதோ கஷ்டப்பட்டுட்டு சாஸ்திரத்துக்கு வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் கூட பீப்புள் ஆர் நாட் ஏபிள் டு ட்ரை டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் த இன்டர்னல் டீப் மீனிங். அது ஒரு பிராரப்த கர்மமோ, பிராரப்தம் சொல்ல மாட்டேன், லேக் ஆஃப் ப்ரிப்பேர்ட்னஸ். Lack of preparedness, no qualification sufficiently. Etena means by this Atma nu sonnar, adha never search for Atma outside. Engyo Atma irukka, andha Atma moolama ivan paakran nu sollale Yamadharmaraja. Yamadharmaraja says, inda Atmavinal etena, yena etena, by this Atma, this self alone. And the self you have to supply. Capital S. Self anna நம்ம செக் புக் மேல எழுதுறோமே செல்ஃப். செல்ஃப் எழுதிட்டு என்ன 1 lakh ஓன்லி అని போடுவா. எத்தனை பணம் இருந்தாலும் ஓன்லி அது போட்டுட்டே இருக்கணும். 1 lakh ஓன்லி, 1 crore ஓன்லி என்ன. That self. That's why you write self. What is self? The definition has been given. Atma or the self. And the self definition enna very nice, important. And Atma definition, Atma nude lakshanam enna? Yachapnoti shloka. Yachapnoti yadadatte yachatti vishayaniha. Yachatti vishayaniha. எச்சாப்னோதி யதாதத்தே எச்சாத்தி விஷயானிஹ. இது 2 லைனாகவும் போட்டுக்கலாம், ஒரு லைன் போட்டுக்கலாம். ஓகே, எச்சாப்னோதி யதாதத்தே 1 லைன், எச்சாத்தி விஷயானிஹ 2nd லைன், ஆர் போத் இன் 1 லைன் யூ கேன் ரைட். நவ் 3rd லைன், எச்சாஸ்ய சந்ததோ பாவஹ. எச்சாஸ்ய சந்ததோ பாவஹ தஸ்மாத் तस्मात् आत्मेति कीर्त्यते. तस्मात् आत्मेति कीर्त्यते. What is the meaning of this? You cannot find these definitions in Upanishads. Acharyas writes in their commentaries in some places the definition of Atma. Yachapnoti, that which pervades. Apnoti sarvam. Yat, that which apnoti, pervades. This is the one definition of Atma, Lakshanam. Atma is that which pervades everything. Ap dhatu. Ap means to pervade, to spread. Then second Lakshanam is yad adatte. Yat adatte means that which absorbs, dissolves into whom. Yadadatte means, or we can take that which absorbs everything, that which grasps everything, through which you know everything, that which absorbs. Yadadatte. This is Atma Shabda Vyutpatti. Or Atma ki ittana Vyutpatti irukku, with derivations. Yadapnoti is one derivation. Apnoti. Adatte, adhatu, adatte. Absorbs or dissolves also we can take. Yachati. Atti means that which enjoys all objects in the world. That which enjoys all objects in the world. Echati. Vishayaniha. Vishayan means objects. Iha means in this world. Atma is that which enjoys all the objects, which experiences all the objects in the world. Is called Echati Vishayaniha. Vishayanana objects. Next, third line. Ech asya santato bhavaha. Whose presence is permanent. Santataha bhavaha. Bhavaha means existence. Santataha bhavaha means all the time. Trikale api tishtati yat tat satyam atma savigneyaha. It was, Atma was there, Atma is there, Atma ever will be. So Atma consciousness is that which is not the part of the body, property of the body, product of the body. Atma Lakshana. It is not the part of the body. It is different from the body. Atma is not born as a product from the body. No. From the Atma only all products have come. Not product. Even the properties also are not part of the body. Atma. Atma, body is not the part of Atma. Atma is not part of the body. Atma is different from the body. It's not product, not the property, even property also. Any characteristics are belong to the body only, not to the Atma. So, santataha bhavaha means trikale api tishtati, avadhyam, unnegatable. Santataha bhavaha, tasmat, therefore, atma iti kathyate, kirtyate or kathyate. That is called atma. Atma iti, because of these above reasons, tasmat. Because of these above reasons, derivations, this Atma self-consciousness is called Atma. And Atma angara artham parungo. Atma nana, that's pervading. So who is that all-pervading? I, the consciousness, all-pervading. Who is absorbing? I, the consciousness, is absorbing everything. Who is enjoying all the objects in the world? I, the consciousness, is enjoying all the objects in the world. Who is existing all the time? I, the consciousness, is existing all the time. Jagrada avasthayam, he is going to say that next. This is the definition of Atma. Now look into the shloka, mantra. Yena, etena, rupam. Vijanati. You have to supply this Vijanati, second line Vijanati to every action. Rupam. Seeing the forms, colors. Varnam, colors or forms. Vijanati. By which Atma we are knowing the colors, forms. Then Rasam Vijanati. Yena etena Atmana Rasam Vijanati. Taste. All taste. Pongal ki enna pannanu ippove taste. Who is knowing an Atma? Rasam Vijanati. Then number 3. Gandham Vijanati. Smell. All Jnana Indriyas. Rupa means which Indriyam? Chakshurindriyam. Eyes. Then Rasam means இந்த ரசம் சொன்ன உடனே அந்த ரசம் ஞாபகம் வருமோ? Taste. Rasanendriyam. Tongue. Then Gandham, smell. By whose presence I am knowing that smell. Gandham. Nose in what? Nasika. Indriyam. Then Dhranendriyam ityartha. Then Shabdan. Sounds. Ear. Shrotrendriyam. Sparshan, touch, Tvagindriyam. So all sense organs have come. Jnana Indriyams. Then Sparshan, Maithunan. Sparshagumscha cha maidhunan means etc. Conjugal relation, the happiness of that is upasthendriyam ananda. Karmendriyam ellame onnu da sollirukkaru. Pani, pada, payu, upasthalo only one he has mentioned. So you have to supply all other karma indriyas. Okay, pani, pada, payu. Inna pani, pada, payu. Karma indriyas. Sense organs of action. So maidhunan means upastha indriyam. The ananda, once the conjugal relation take place, upasthendriya ananda, that is also by whomana? Yena etena atmana. That's why wherever there is ananda, wherever the forms are they are seeing, as Atma I am only seeing through all bodies. That's why Jnani is really not undergoing any pleasure individually. When all beings are enjoying, seeing everything, through all the bodies he enjoys. This Upanishad says, the Jnani enjoys everything. அது எப்படி எவ்ரிதிங் அண்ணா யார் யார் என்னென்ன என்ஜாய் பண்றான்னு அதெல்லாம் ஆத்மஸ்வரூபமா இருந்து எல்லாரும் உடம்புல தானே என்ஜாய் பண்றான். அந்த ஞானத்தினால் he is so complete. ரொம்ப what a state that is. Sparshagumsha maidhunan, conjugal pleasures also yena etena, by this atma alone. Vijanati, yaha vijanati, whoever knows this also. One knows all these things are known by the Atma alone. Kim atra parishishyate, what remains? Parishishyate means what remains. Enna micham irukka Atma thavara sollungo. What is there other than Atma? Unknowable to the self. Himatra parisishyate, what remains out of consciousness? Anartham, not prashnarthe but akshaparthe. Nothing is there outside the consciousness. Pashyan, shrunvan, sprishan, jigran, ashnan, gachan, swapan, shwashan. While eating, while talking, while enjoying everything, who is experiencing? Atma. Atma thavara enna irukku vere? Kadiyave kadiyadu. அதுதான் any ananda, whatever we are undergoing experience, that is atmananda only. The dog bone logic, the dog is eating the bone, it getting blood from the dry bone. What blood come? Blood will never come, it is dry bone. Blood is coming from its own jaws, oozing from the mouth, and the dog is thinking the blood is coming from the bone. I am very intelligent, I got this bone and therefore I am getting this blood, flesh from the bone. Really dog is getting, adha naan God ani theriyalena dog madri aidum nammo. God naan atma swarupam, atma da idellame enjoy pandradhu theriyalena enna agum, and the dog madri ella aanandam angirindu varudhu ingirindu varudhu. Atma ananda is coming from outside, we think. This is called dog logic. டாகுக்கு தெரியாது இந்த போன்ல இருந்து ஒன்றும் கிடையாது, இதெல்லாம் என்னோட வாயில இருந்து தான் இந்த எல்லாமே ஃப்ளஷ் எல்லாம் வருது, ஐ ஆம் என்ஜாயிங் மை ஓன் பிளட்னு டாகுக்கு தெரியாது. How human beings are missing the ananda I am getting from my atma only, not from any gadget, any object in the world. அது எப்படி சுவாமினி? ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் தானே சந்தோஷம் கொடுக்கறது. என்ன அரே ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் they give சந்தோஷம், they must give all the time. Husband alone is happiness, suppose. அது வச்சுக்கிறாமே என்ன, அவர் தானே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரிலேஷன், ஆனந்தம் இதுதான் வைஃப் அண்ட் ஹஸ்பண்ட் ஆனந்தம், அது வச்சுக்கலாம். சப்போஸ் ஹஸ்பண்ட் ஓன், தப்பா நினைச்சுக்காதுங்க, ஓகே, டோன்ட் மிஸ்டேக் மீ. ஹஸ்பண்ட் அலோன் இஸ் காஸ் ஃபார் மை ஹாப்பினஸ். அந்த ஹஸ்பண்ட் மூலமா எப்பவுமே ஆனந்தம் வரணுமே. அப்பப்போ தலைவலி கூட வருது, சும்மா சொன்ன ஜோக்க. ஈவன் வைஃப் ஆல்சோ எப்பவுமே ஆனந்தம் கொடுக்கணுமோ இல்லையோ? அப்படி என்ன அர்த்தம்? இதுதான் டாக் லாஜிக் அங்க யூஸ் பண்ணணும். நம்ம ஆனந்தா இஸ் நாட் இன் ஹஸ்பண்ட். When my mind is ready, ananda, happy mood, I get ananda from my husband. Really my ananda only reflecting through him. He also should know my Ananda coming from, not from wife, my Ananda coming from me only, it is reflecting through my wife అని சொல்லணும். டாகுக்கு சிக்ஸ்த் சென்ஸ் கிடையாது, நமக்கு என்னாச்சு? பட் we people think happiness is coming from outside. All we are getting from Atma only. Clear that? Any happiness for that matter. Etad vaitat. This is indeed that. Hey Nachiketas, you are asking that Atma? This Atma which is by which everything you are knowing, seeing, enjoying, happiness, everything, this is that. This is that Atma. Tattvamasi. Adi artham. Etad vaitat like a Mahavakya. Etad, this Atma, tat, that Paramatma. Next mantra. Swapnantam jagaritantam cha.
Swapnantam jagaritantam cha.
Ubhau yenanu pashyati.
Ubhau yenanu pashyati.
Mahantam vibhumatmanam.
Mahantam vibhumatmanam.
Matva dhiro na shochati.
Matva dhiro na shochati.
So experiencer, I am seeing, I am experiencing the colors. Experiencer, experiencing the objects. So experienced by me, smelt by me, tasted by me, touched by me, enjoyed by me. This is called experience. This is called Drishya Viveka. Now he is introducing Atma as Avasthatraya Sakshi in this fourth mantra. This is called Avasthatraya Viveka. This is called Advaita establishment. Atma Swarupa Varnana Dwara. Advaita means Atma alone is there. Nothing is there. Nada. Kimatra Parishishyate ananartham. There is no dual, second, many objects are not there. They are all nothing but Atma alone. In different name and form. Recognize this. This is the seer, seen object. When I am the seer, what I see through the eyes? Objects. All objects comes under Anatma. You can put in this way. World is first Anatma. External objects. Okay. Drishyam. Yatu drishyam tatu mithya. Whatever is seen by me is unreal. Logic. Tarkam. What is this? Yatu drishyam. What is seen? Tatu mithya. Why? Drishyatvat. Because it is seen by me. Yatu drishyam. What is seen by me? Drishyam. This is drishyam. This flower is drishyam. I am seeing the object. This is object. They all come under drishyam. I am the seer is called drik in Sanskrit. Very technical. All these mantras are very technical mantras. I, the seer, is called drik. Drishyam, yat yadrishyam, tat mithya, drishyatvat, swapnavad. Like a dream. I have seen my dream. Dream is real or unreal? Unreal. Pot, suppose you are seeing the pot. The pot is unreal. What you are seeing really? Clay only. Pot, nama, rupa is mithya. Drishyatvad, ghatavat. Ghatavanna pot. So who is the sakshi, witnesser? The subject, the seer is the sakshi, the content, the core, the Atma Swarupam. I am the drik, drigeva satyam, not drishyam. Drishyam is simple nama, rupa, which is impermanent. Okay, that is Drishyam Swamini. What about this body? Body also Drishyam. This is world is first Anatma. Second Anatma is body. Is the second Anatma. Anatma is equal to Mithya. Mithya is equal to unreal. Unreal is equal to Anityam. Yat Anityam tat Mithya. Yat Mithya tat Anityam. Drishyatvat. Because I am seeing, therefore unreal. People say, I am seeing, therefore it is real and chulra. Shastra says, Gaudapadacharya says in Mandukya Upanishad, I will tell you that is unreal because you are seeing. Then what is real, Anna? You, the seer, is real. Permanent. Atma Swarupam. When all avasthas, Jagrat, Swapna, Sushuptisu, says, Swapnantam Jagaritantancha. Jagaritantam means in the waking state. Jagaritantam means a waker world. And the objects of waking and chollam. Illana Jagaritantam anna objects of waking. When you see objects in dream or in waking sleep state, really when you are seeing now, waking state only we are seeing. And the Jagaritantamana, endenda purulgal nama paakrome Jagrata avasthayam, adellame Jagaritantam. After Swapnantam, even in Swapna, the objects of dream, Swapna Padarthan, Jagrat Padarthan, Swapnantam, Jagaritantam, objects in the waking world, objects in the dream world, all of them are ye ubhau, both of them, yena anupashyati. The previous mantra, for the sake of the world is perceived by me, the Atma, ade world anatma ke. Not only world, unga body kuda anatma dan solradhukkaga. Second anatma he is introducing. Ubhau yena anupashyati jagrat padarthan, swapna padarthan, by which yena anupashyati. Who is seeing? See, when waking state, I am seeing this, and so many things I am seeing. I am Drik. These are all Drishyam. In Swapna, Rupam Drishyam Lochanam Drik Tadrishyam Driktu Manasam. Drishya Viveka. The shloka runs like this. Rupam Lochanam. Rupam anna, the forms what I am seeing, all these are all Drishyam. Rupam Lochanam. Rupam, when you are seeing the Rupams, Lochanam is the Drik. Who is seeing? I is seeing. When you are sleeping, you are seeing some objects, then you call eyes are Drik. But you are not seeing the external world. Eyes are closed, deeply closed. In dream you are seeing. That means what? Manas is the Drik. Mind is seeing the objects in the dream. Eyes are not Drik. Mind is the seer that time. Okay? Now how you are going inwards. World paakumbodhu padartham all seen. Objects. Who is seeing? Eyes are seeing. So eyes are Drik. Adella Drishyam. தூக்கத்திலோ நல்ல கனவு வரும்போது ட்ரீம்ல கண்ணு மூடிண்டு இருக்கு. பட் ஐ எம் சீயிங் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ். அழகா பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன் நான். அப்போ இந்த திருக் ஸ்டேட்டஸ் ஆஃப் ஐஸ் கான். Who is seeing the dream? Mind is seeing. Mind projection alone is dream. The dream. That is the whole dream is Drishyam to the mind. Then mind become what? The seer is the mind. Dream is Drishyam. So mind is the Drik. That is the Swapnantam. Ubhau api ena vijanati. Now swapnam also, who is knowing? Mind is knowing. And the mind deep sleep ponadakapram, who is enjoying deep sleep? Manasu kuda illiya inge. Conscious. Ada sakshi. So jagrata avastha will become drishyam. Swapna avastha will become drishyam. In deep sleep, I am sakshi. Avasthatraya sakshi. I am experiencing deep sleep, sushupti avastha. Not now. I hope so. You are all, thank God. Okay. Mine good prarabdha nartham. Okay. You are all waking state. So, I am the experiencer of waking state, sakshi. I am the experiencer of, witnesser of the dream state. No Jagrata state, no Swapna state. There is another state. State and not Tamil Nadu state. Avastha. அவஸ்தான்னா தமிழ் அவஸ்தா இல்லை, ஒரு நிலை. என்ன நிலைன்னா, நல்ல தூக்கத்தில் கூட நான் இருக்கேனா இல்லையா? எப்படி இருக்கேள்? இந்த நாமம் பேரெல்லாம் இருக்கா? அப்போ வைஃபா இருக்கேனா, ஹஸ்பண்டா இருக்கேனா? அப்போ தூக்கத்தில் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. ஆல் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் கான். பா, ஐ ஆம் தேர், சாக்ஷி. ஸோ த சாக்ஷி இஸ் த சேம். விட்னஸர் ஆஃப் ஜாகிரத அவஸ்தா இஸ் I, the same. Witnesser of the dream avastha, same. Witnesser of sleep, deep sleep avastha, same. Witnesser is not changing. The experiencer, the seer is not changing. But who is changing? All Jagrata avastha objects are changing. Varied forms, varied colors, different dreams, different. Everyday sleep I am experiencing. But the experiencer is I. Who is the experiencer? Tell me now. I am the experiencer. Which I? RCA, OCA? OC. That's what he says. Mahantam vibhumatmanam matva. This is called matva. Matvanana, having attended the Thursday class, studying Kathopanishad, matva, having understood in this manner. What? Mahantam vibhumatmanam, that Atma which is the avasthatraya sakshi, Jagrata avastha, Swapna avastha, Sushupti avastha, witnesser, I the experiencer, Mahantam vibhum, all pervading. So when I am experiencer in I, in your I, in my I, there is no difference. But in your experience, my experience difference irkalam. Your dream la my dream la difference irkalam. Your thukkam number thukkam difference irkalam. Aanalum anda you say I am eating. I am eating. Every one of us saying I am eating. ஒரு 10 பேர் உட்கார்ந்து சாப்பிடுறான் நினைச்சுக்கோங்களே. Everybody saying I am eating. Next one I am eating. I am eating. I am eating idli. I am eating dosa. I am eating sweet. I am eating sambar. I am eating rasam. This I am, what I am eating is different. This in the I am la. The 10 பேர் 20 பேர் கூட அந்த I am la difference இருக்கா? என்ன சாப்பிடுறானதுல difference இருக்கு. I am going somewhere. I am going somewhere. Another person say I am going somewhere, different places they go. But அந்த I am la difference இருக்கா? ஏன் இல்லையே? உங்க I am la என்னோட I am la ஏன் difference இல்லைன்னா அதுதான் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ். அந்த ஐ ஆம்ல டிஃபரன்ஸ் கிடையாது. எதில் சேஞ்ச் இல்லையோ அதுதான் யுவர் விட்னஸர் அண்ட் மை விட்னஸர் இஸ் ஒன் அண்ட் த சேம். தட் இஸ் கால்டு ஓசி. மத்வா விபும் மத்வா. மகாந்தம் மீன்ஸ் தட் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் விச் இஸ் பர்வேடிங் எவ்ரிவேர் இன் எவ்ரி பாடி. So now mind is also anatma, body is also anatma because I am witnessing the body. Jagat mithya drishyatvat ghatavat. Deha mithya drishyatvat. Pakrana illaya? Sivadamu pakramo illaya? The experiencer is different from the experienced. Experienced must come under what? Experiencer is the subject. Experienced must be object. Object and subject one are the same, one and the same or different? Different. That means what? Body is English will tell. You have said now. See, I am experiencing the body. Since I am experiencing the body, body is experienced object. I the subject. Subject can never be the object. Therefore, I am not the body. Similarly, I am experiencing the mind. Since I am experiencing the mind, experienced mind comes under object. Object experiencer, I the subject is different. Therefore, I the witnesser of the mind, which is changing all the time. Morning, okay. Madhyana, okay. Evening, not at all okay. Who is observing? Witnesser. I experiencer of that different minds of my own mind. Different from the mind. Mind is third anatma. Whatever I experience is come under anatma. Experiencer alone is atma. Aluttama shalanam. I the experiencer alone is atma. I the seer alone is atma. I the observer alone is atma. Whatever I observe is anatma, including body. You get to touch your body and say, Swamini ellame anatma. இந்த பாடி கூட அனாத்மான்னு சொல்லணும். அதுக்குள்ள மனசு அனாத்மா. அதனால வேர்ல்டு அனாத்மான்னு நெகேட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் பாடி நெகேட் பண்ண முடியும். அப்புறம் தான் மனசு. எப்படி வெள்ளை ட்ரெஸ் கழட்டாமலே உள்ள ட்ரெஸ் கழட்ட முடியாது இல்லையா? வெள்ளது கழட்டணும்னா வேர்ல்டு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபால்சிஃபை பண்ணு, அனாத்மாவா நிச்சயம் பண்ணு, அதுக்கப்புறம் பாடி அனாத்மாவா நிச்சயம் பண்ணு புத்திபூர்வகமா. அப்புறம் மனசு அனிச்சயமா பண்ணுனா அனித்தியமா அனாத்மாவா. ஹூ இஸ் ரிமைனிங்? யாருமே இல்லை சுவாமி, அப்புறம் எல்லாமே நான் சொல்லக்கூடாது. The negator remains. The negator remains. Who negates the world, who negates the body, who negates the mind. Somebody must be there to negate. Who is that? I the negator remain. Adha vibhum atmanam. Now I am all pervading or not? All pervading illa. I am not only all pervading, I am all pervading. Perum all. Adha vibhum atmanam mahantam. Adi paakanam. Atma is one. Anatmas are many. Matva dhiraha, a wise person who understands this study Kathopanishad, na shochati. He never grieves. He will never cry. He is always happy. Ananda, ever bloomy, never gloomy. Na shochati. இங்க மேல எப்படி வரும் கவலை? ஆனாலும் வருதே சுவாமின்னா இன்னும் நிஷ்ட வரலன்னு அர்த்தம். அந்த ஞானம் புரியறது, ஆனாலும் நிஷ்ட வரணும். அதுக்காக தான் கம் டு த நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ். ஓம் பூர்ணமதః பூர்ணமிதம் பூர்ணாத் பூர்ணமுதச்யதே பூர்ணஸ்ய பூர்ணமாதாய பூர்ணமேவாவசிஷ்யதே. ஓம் சாந்தி சாந்தி சாந்தி. ஹரிஹி ஓம். ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமः. ஹரிஹி ஓம்.